Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off mention or tag option on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can turn off mention or tag options so everyone cannot tag us or mention us on their story, post, or comment. Okay, I'm going to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. We can go to our profile first, and then we can select these three lines on the top right, and then we can open up the settings and privacy, and we need to choose privacy. Okay, select the privacy, and then you're going to scroll down until you find mentions. And if you want to turn off tag or mention from everyone on TikTok, you can select this option, allow mentions from, and then here you need to choose no one. So no one can mention you other than descriptions, stickers, comments, and stories. Okay, select no one. And after you turn off mention or tag option on TikTok, anyone cannot mention you. And I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to mention this account with my another TikTok account. I'm going to switch it to my second account on TikTok, and I'm going to try to mention my first account. Okay, the first one, I'm going to mention my account on this post. I'm going to mention it on the comment section. Okay, and as you can see, I cannot mention my first account. Okay, and I'm going to try to mention my first account on my post or maybe story. Wait, I'm going to upload a photo. Okay, and I'm going to mention it right here. Go to the text, and I'm going to mention my first account. Okay, as you can see, I cannot mention or tag my first account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off tag or mention on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.